In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious sour chicken stew with pickles recipe. Welcome to Tasty & Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 6 boneless chicken thighs sliced, 1½ cup of sliced pickles, 1 onion diced, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of sour cream, ½ cup of pickle juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 garlic cloves shredded, and 3 tablespoons of butter. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in the butter and melt completely. Add in the onions and sauté them. Add in the garlic cloves and continue to sauté. Add in the chicken thighs and cook halfway. Season with the salt, pepper, chicken bouillon, and the mustard, and cook the chicken completely. After the chicken is cooked, we're going to add in the pickle juice. Now add in the pickles and mix until evenly combined. In a separate bowl, we're going to add in the flour and the sour cream. Slowly pour in water while mixing until there's no clumps left. We're going to pour this mixture into the center of our chicken and pickle mixture. Then we're going to mix everything together until it's evenly combined. Our sour chicken stew with pickles is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.